Hi, I'm Ellen from the Chili Dog. Today I'm working on a pair of my Sundog socks and I'm going to show you how to make these decorative triple knot stitches. This textured stitch is made by working a purl 3 together, knit 3 together, purl 3 together, all into the same 3 stitches. It's not necessarily difficult, but it can feel a little bit tight getting your needles through all 3 stitches, and you need to be careful not to split your yarn. So first we'll do a purl 3 together, and we'll leave those 3 stitches on our left needle. Bring the yarn to the back, knit 3 together. As I said, it can feel a little bit tight getting through all 3 of those stitches. Just be careful not to split the yarn. Bring your yarn forward and then purl those same 3 stitches together again. And now you can go ahead and drop the 3 stitches off your left needle, and you can see there's 3 new stitches on the right needle, creating the triple knot. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a triple knot. If you'd like to try this stitch in a pattern, head over to the shop section of thechillydog.com and look for my SundogSocks. Until we stitch again, happy knitting!